Because
Okay.
review, right? I put
Okay.
this Word file, no problem.
Okay. Okay.
Recording, no need, because I, okay, if recorded, I put no problem. Practical final exam for 15 marks. So, two questions, each has 7.5 marks. Time, date and time of the exam. Date, next week, same time. 8/4/2021. Time 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock. So what is a question? For example, the questions are available in practical 2 file. Where is practical 2 file? Practical 2 file I given here, practical 2 Word file. If you open, you can find the questions. The questions are very simple. For example, write the steps and procedures. Write the steps and procedures to create collaborative document, to enter the detail of students, share with their friends, and collaboratively editing the content. You can share with any of your friends, no problem. I am not going to restrict you. Okay. So the questions like this. So what do you need to do? For example, you can go to Google, everybody having Google account, Google Drive. Go to Google Drive, type your Google email address and everything. Okay. Then you can make a document. What are the different things are available? The questions will be coming from Google document. Google document. For example, here you have a new Google Doc. The questions will be coming from Google Documents. So what are the different things? We have Google Documents, Google Docs, then Google Sheets. The sample questions are given in practical 2 on 4/2/2021. Steps you can write as a steps and screenshot. Any student cannot do screenshots. Any student they don't know, alt print screen in your laptop, or you do in the your mobile phone, you know how to take a screenshot. Okay. Then the another question, for example, write a steps and procedures. This collaborative computing question is very simple. For example, if I ask these two, this is 7.5 marks. So this is 7.5 mark. So what is a distribution? Steps and procedures. Mark distribution. 5 marks. Steps and procedures. Procedures means right steps. Some students doesn't know procedures, and procedures means the steps you are following.
إجراءات.
Okay. So for example, steps and procedures, 5 marks. Then results screenshot. So results screenshot. Screenshots, if you put 2 or 3 screenshots is enough. That is also 2.5 marks. So results and screenshots. This is for 7.5 marks mark pattern. The questions will come from Google document. Inside the Google document, we have 2. What are the different 2? Blank document, like this. You see, inside you have a blank document and from template. Some questions will come from one student get 2 questions. For example, one from Google document, another one from Google Sheet. Then finished. Okay. So Google Sheet. Google. So our discussion, everything from Google. Google Sheet, Google Sheets, Google Slides. Google Slides. Okay. Then what we have? Google Forms. Google Forms. Google Form. Then we have Google Drawings. So only 5. Anything is missing? No, everything we discussed. How to do Google document, Google Sheet, Google Slide, Google Form and Google Drawing. So all those things are available in your, for example, practical 3. If you click this practical 3, you can find Google Drawing, Google Draw and Sheet. For example, Doctor, I want a demo. I already give the demo. Even big blue button after 7 days, it will be deleted. But it is available in YouTube. Anytime you can check this one. As well as I am sharing with you big blue button from Google. Okay, whenever you have a time, you have a look about how to make a Google drawing. Okay, also available. Then practical 3, if you click this Word file, you can get the information about practical 3. Practical 3 was conducted on 11/2/2021 to make the document using template. Create cloud document using template. Cloud document using template. It's another question. So all the practical question, whatever you finished, it will be coming for our final exam for practical. Document, another one. These both are same. Another one, practical on 8/18/2. Create blank Google form to collect data of IT students in SUC. Okay, so this also available. If you go here, practical, all the document available. Okay, that is for your reference, how you can do. Okay. Then practical 2025. So if you take practical 18 to 2021. So I given clearly what you have to do for the Google Forms. Google form. All the procedure you have to follow. So including this research chart, you have to give graph, research graph. Okay. You need to give with collaboration. Collaboration you can do with yourself, your friends, no problem. Even same question not coming for within your friends, you can give, you can send to another friends and you can communicate. So what I need for from you I need only PDF or Word document. PDF or Word document. For example, after you I save. Collaborative computing. Practical final exam review. So after this, I will put in the Moodle also this one. So what you have to do? Steps and procedures. Doctor, where is steps and procedures? So steps and procedures are given clearly in practical 2 file. You see here, I write step. Go to Google Drive, press new plus, press Google document. Step 1, step 2, step 3, all the step with screenshot. So I clearly given to you in the review, steps and procedures 5 mark, results screenshots 2.5 mark for 7 point. Next one, steps and procedures. How you can submit? You can submit, you can scan or make a PDF also okay. Scan or make PDF or Word file. Suppose some students I want to scan and send, no problem. Take photo and send, no problem. Scan or make PDF or take photo, many options. But write your name and ID number in all pages. Otherwise, I don't know whether your document or some other student's document. So this is more important. Write your name and ID number. If you are not write ID number, your name, I cannot understand who did this one. Even from your login, I don't know you did or somebody did. This is must write your name and ID number in all pages. This is more important. Then another thing important, submit only in Moodle. Don't submit in WhatsApp or my email ID. Submit only in Moodle. Don't submit in email or WhatsApp. Only you need to submit in the Moodle. The questions will be coming from Google document, Google Sheet, Google Slide, Google Forms and Google Drive. The sample questions given first. Write as steps or procedures to create collaborative document to enter the detail of students, share with their friends and collaboratively editing the content, image, audio, video and other media and design. Okay. The another question. This is 18.2. We discussed about Google Forms. Google Forms. Where is that Google Form available? Google Form available in my cloud. This is the one of the Google Form we already finished. Okay, event. Okay, you only made it. Our students. What is the another Google Form? Customer feedback form. This is customer feedback form. Then course evaluation form. So like that. These information you can put by yourself. For example, I ask you create a Google form, blank form to collect data of IT students, to collect the data of customers, to collect the data of employee. That you can type employee name, employee ID, and other things. Otherwise, I will specify what you need to collect, what are the different things. So for example, here, this is Google form. Yes. For example, what are the different things? Name, ID. This is the basic things. You need to collect the data. Otherwise, data collection, you can think and collect from your side, no problem. For me, there is no restriction. You collect name, mobile number, data, CV, anything. But I will give the questions like this. Then 25 to make a Google form to collect the data. This we already finished. How to collect the data. Okay. This is for same like Google form. Same like our before question. Create a Google form from template. Okay. This is another question. Write a Google form. So what is next? Another one from Google Drawing. Google Drawing. So make a Google Drawing for any of your applications. This is Google Sheet. Next you have a Google Sheet. So Google Form and Google Sheet, next questions. So next questions from any design for illustrate the operation of, illustrate means we have to make the presentation, operation of Google Drawing, any drawing from your mind. I am not going to restrict, you have to draw only like a sea, like a moon, any drawing coming from your mind, but it should be perfect drawing, not like children, you know, make perfect. But for our example, we make like a children, okay, but a little bit, we see like this Google Drawing, okay. You have 2 hours time, no problem. You can have more time. Then Google Sheet, any data for Google Sheet. Google Sheets. So Google Sheets with some addition Same like Google Sheet is same like Excel. You know already Excel, how to do. Same like that. For example, if you want to open Google Sheet, go here, open Google Sheet like a Excel. Okay. So I need new blank. Yes, I need new blank. Okay. For example, I give the question. Enter students GPA and add. For example, my student Saif. So GPA. What is GPA? GPA in semester 1. GPA in semester 1. How much? 3.9. Here you have to type GPA. Semester 2. If you want to write fully, write semester 2. Semester 1. So what is the question? The question is sum, add, minus, etc. What is the question? Make a Google Sheets to compute your GPA for how many semester you have? Foundation 2 semester, diploma 2 years, bachelor 2 years. So any for 3 years, I give 3 years, or I give for 4 semester. Now it's a question. 4 semesters. You know your GPA already. All students, they know your GPA. How to calculate? Come here. Semester 2, how much? 4.0. Saif, how much? 3.8. Overall GPA.
Yes, doctor.
Okay. 4 semesters. 5.0 GPA.
Not 5.0, doctor. It is so. Allah Akbar.
Allah Akbar. Now, equal. I want to sum. Sum, no problem. Here, make a sum. Go here. Close. Otherwise, give B2 colon B5. Sum. This is sum of the GPA. I want average. This is called sum. Average. Average is what? Average equal average. Same like our, what is that? Excel. Okay. Here you have to make this a first one. Otherwise, you cannot do like this. You have to put, it starts from where? So equal average. Okay. What is the first data? Cancel, because the help will come automatically. So this is the first data. B2. All students know already. Colon. B5. Close. Enter. So average GPA 3.5. Okay. This is one of the question. Alt print screen. I give in the review document itself. No problem. This is the Google form. For example, another question. Make a Google Sheet. Make a Google Sheet to compute your daily expenses. Daily expenses. What is daily expenses? Maybe petrol, maybe what is that? Petrol, maybe for top up. Okay. So everything. For example, you can go to the Google form for daily expenses. I make a new sheet. For example, BRAIN expenses. For my Orindo, this is you can do by yourself. Orindo, maybe I need 2 real. Breakfast, 5 real. Daily expenses. Just calculate how much I spent. Car petrol, maybe 5 real. For my mother, how much maybe I spend for my mother, 30 real. For my father, these daily expenses, I give to my father 10 real. For my brother, 5 real. For my children, anything. For my children. This is coming from your mind. For my children, maybe I spend 8 real. What is the total? Daily expenses needed, because without our calculation, we cannot. My daily expenses, now today I spent 65 real. Today, spent how much? 65 real. My salary how much? My salary maybe 450 real. Balance. Now minus. What is the minus? Equal to B12 minus B11. So remaining how much balance? 385 real available. This is 1 day expenses. Just for making your calculation. This is Google Sheet. What is next? Google Drawing, Google Sheet, Google Drawing. Okay, these things will be coming. Totally 2 questions for 1 student. Any question from the student side?
Yes, doctor, I have a question, please.
Yes, Saif.
If my questions are same with Hilal, for example, can we work together or what, doctor? Or what do you mean, doctor?
Okay, no together, separate document. Only you can collaborate with other students.
Collaborate only, not to work together.
Yeah, that's why you see, I clearly told, write your name and ID number in all pages. Your document, yes, exactly. You are writing. Say same question also, you can write your name and ID. If the group will be same question, no problem.
Okay, I will collaborate with you, doctor.
With Hilal also, no problem. You can collaborate with Hilal. If same questions are different questions, no problem. I told clear, write your name and ID number. Not yes, say sure. Hilal and you submit the same document. You understand?
No, doctor.
You understand?
Yes, I understand.
Then that's it. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, no problem. You and Hilal collaborate, because don't collaborate with the teacher. The student with collaboration is better. Okay. So you collaborate with Hilal or Abdullah or Rashid, anyone. Then you can make two different. Hilal will submit his document and you will submit your document with your name and ID number. Finish class.
Yes.
Nothing.
Sure, sure.
Yeah. I will give. I know Saif how doing programming and how you can do. I know everything. Don't worry. That's why I clearly told take scan or make PDF or Word file or take photo and submit only in Moodle.
So for every student, we'll have 2 questions, Doctor.
Yes.
Okay.
Clearly given 2 questions.
Yeah. Yes.
Like this sample.
Like our, Doctor, like our assignment.
Yeah. 2 questions.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Okay.
Practical exam. Date. Everything given. Any student, any doubt, ask me. So this session will close after 3 minutes. So I will give the review in the Moodle. Yes, students, ask any question.
Doctor,
Yeah.
are you going to choose the student will collaborate together or what?
No, you can choose by yourself. You can choose by yourself with your collaboration work. No problem.
But we have to.
Not between only these students. Outside your friends also can collaborate. No problem. You can make a collaboration and submit the document.
Okay. We have to add them before.
No problem. I want only your final document with your name and ID and collaboration work, all the content. How we did our practical, the same thing I need. Understand?
Okay. So we don't. Yes, Doctor, I understand. But is that acceptable? That you will accept? You will accept if we work alone?
What happened?
If the student work with himself alone, do you will accept that?
Okay, alone also okay, but collaboration. Why we study collaborative computing?
Because if we work alone.
No. What is the use of collaboration computing? We need to collaboratively work with others. Okay. That is a concept. That's why.
Yeah, Rashid.
Otherwise, only you can sit in the home, you can do, but not a collaboration work means this session will be closed after 1 minute. Students again rejoin. Okay.
Okay.
Inshallah.
Okay.
Inshallah. Make one friends. You have any friends, Contact with Saif, no problem. He is a good person. Otherwise, contact with the Mubarak. Any friends, no problem. Wait, it will close then.